Hey guys, Terry here. So, I got another Alex unit. I got 3 in here now and 3 in the dining room, which is where I have my sublimation station. I hate this phone because I'm not sure where to look. I'm sorry about that. So, anyway, I have my sublimation station in my dining room because there is no way I can fit it in here. No way. So, one of these days I'll show you guys my craft room. Maybe once I get completely happy with it. For now, I have my sewing machine back here and my new light that I got at Ikea. And I have my Alex. I bought some table legs for this tabletop, and I have my Alex drawer unit over there to put my sewing supplies in, needles and stuff like that. I have my embroidery machine right here, peekaboo. And then Christmas, I'm getting me the Innovus NQ1700E. Which does a 6 by 10 inch area. I'm sorry, I gotta move you back. So, I'm gonna do that. I've been just working around my place, trying to get my stuff the way I want it. Oh my gosh, what is going on with this? I hate this holder. It does not work worth a crap. Oh, maybe it's gonna hold there. Anyway, I just got back from Michigan, went to Wisconsin to see my family, northwest corner, and then I went to, 12 hours to Michigan to see my kids, and I was gone 2 weeks total. I can't drive again next year. This year I drove, and let me tell you what, I fell asleep at the wheel so often. And on the way home, I almost hit the back end of a semi-truck. If it wasn't for the car next to me beeping their horn, waking me up, I would have hit it. So I'm not driving again next year. Next year I'm going to fly back. I'm going to rent a car. Drive the hour and a half up to my kids from Detroit. And then drive to Wisconsin to see my sisters and stuff. For like 3 days or so. But until then, I'm back in my craft room, and I'm working on some hooded towels, which is what I made my grandson and I'm expecting a new granddaughter in September. So I'm working on some hooded bath towels to sell. Actually, so I got Thomas the Train, which is one of my grandson's favorite, and I made him this, and I made him a dinosaur bath towel, and they turned out so good, and I just love them. I like making them. They're fun, they're relaxing. So I'll be finishing this one up. This one's done, the hood part anyway. Then I'm gonna work on the hood part of the dinosaur and sell those as a set. I have some really cute embroidery patterns that I could do for a girl, so I'm gonna sell those as a set. And I got some, oh, hang on one second. I got some of these from Ikea to go in my drawers of my Alex unit, and which is over here. So the white desk that used to be here, that was actually under this tabletop, is now in my living room. I'm going to use it for just to sit at with my laptop so I can sit out there and do some work if I want to. So I got those. I'm going to take those to the living room tonight and work on getting them filled up and put in my Alex drawer unit. You know, they're pretty easy to put together when you've put together 6 of them. However, I did it again. I got the bottom where the top should be and the top where the bottom should have been. So I had to take them out, switch them around. Then it worked great. But, alright guys, once I get this all set up and stuff, I will share it with you. I'm still trying to figure out, let me take you down for a second, okay? Still trying to figure out where I'm going to put my sewing machine once I get my new embroidery machine, which is pretty large. So that has to go. I'm thinking about putting my sewing machine right here where the paper and markers are. That way, if I want to use it, I could just pull it over here and use it, because of the fact that I do not use the foot pedal with it. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Because right now it's sitting here, and then that would be a great spot for my new embroidery machine. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to work on getting that Alex drawer unit full and getting some other stuff put away. Also, one of my tenants gave me this unit. I'm trying to go slow. One of my tenants gave me this unit. So, I keep my towels in there for my hooded towels. And stuff that I've made down at the bottom. I got bibs in there and receiving blankets and all kinds of stuff I'm going to embroider on. So when they went to move this unit, they tore off the tape, and it took the white, the brown off the top paper off this. So I just put some stain on it just to kind of camouflage it until I can paint it. Once I paint it, it's going to be a chalk paint white, I think, to match my craft room. So I got that from a tenant of mine. If you didn't know, I run a mini storage facility. So this is definitely my happy place. I put some of my AI art up on the walls, and I like how that turned out. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you my new Alex unit. Now I have 3 in here and 3 in the dining room where my sublimation station is. This is the lamp that I got at Ikea, and I like it because I can shine some light on my sewing area. For now, I'm just gonna put it in the corner. So, alright. Love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.